Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting now. Unmount the doorbell and access the battery. First, press the release or remove the pin so you can slide the unit off the bracket. Once removed, identify the charging port on the back and plug in the supplied cable to a 5V1A or higher adapter. Make sure the connection is snug. A loose plug slows charging. While charging, lay the unit flat on a dry surface and keep it out of direct sun so the battery warms evenly. Once connected, monitor the LED and the Ring app to confirm charging progress. The app updates percentage and estimated time. While it charges, keep the cable untwisted and avoid moving the unit so the connector stays seated. If the battery was near zero, plan for 3 to 5 hours. A partially charged battery will charge faster. If you use a USB hub or power bank, make sure it provides continuous 5V power and won't shut off for inactivity, because after charging, check the app, wait for 100% or a level that meets your needs. Then reconnect the doorbell to the mounting bracket until it clicks into place. Once mounted, open the app and verify live view, motion alerts, and battery percentage to confirm proper operation. If the doorbell won't show charging or power up, swap to a known good USB cable and a different 5V adapter. If problems persist, remove the battery and reseat it, or perform a device reset as the next troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.